Sendbird is excited to offer screen sharing capabilities with our calls products for iOS, Android, and web applications. In the next minute, we'll cover the highlights. Screen sharing is incredibly useful for virtual meetings like an online medical consultation. A doctor, for example, may need to share an X-ray with a patient, which is sensitive personal information. Fortunately, Sendbird Calls is ideally suited to healthcare as we're both HIPAA compliant and DTLS media encryption comes right out of the box. Users of Sendbird Chat are also registered users of Sendbird Calls, so going from chat to video is completely seamless. With Sendbird Screen Sharing, you can easily choose which application, file, or window to share, which is ideal for showing documents securely. To implement screen sharing in your own app, check out our docs, tutorials, example code, and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and happy screen sharing!